Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Markam and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, yeah, in my previous video we talk about chiller temperature, right? So in this video we will talk about freezer temperature and why we should to keep everything our all the backup extra item which we will use in the future. Future means like in after 1 week, after 2 weeks. So this during this gap, so all our stuff we can keep inside the freezer. So why this is the main topic for us, right? So the first of all, I would like to let you know guys, the temperature should be of freezer minus 18, right? It can be more than minus 18 but not below minus 18. So the minus 18, it's a core temperature, right? It's a core temperature. It can be up, but not below, right? Even though minus 17.89, this one also will be not applicable, not, uh, that much sufficient for us. No, only minus 18. So why minus 18 temperature should be if we are keeping any our item inside the freezer, right? It's very important. Why? Because the bacteria which is harmful for our body. So for example, any kind of raw food, any kind of cooked food, if we are storing inside the freezer and the temperature will be minus 18 and more than minus 18, so the growth and multiplication of that particular bacteria, it will stop. It will stop. It will not die. That bacteria, it will not finished properly, but the growth of that bacteria, it will stop, right? So why we are keeping inside the freezer? Because we want to stop the multiplication of bacteria. We want to stop those things. If we are stopping those things, so that means our life of our product will be longer, right? This is the reason. So I would like to let you know what actually need to multiply bacteria in our food. Right? For example, if I cook the food and it cool down, so that means the bacteria it's growing, growing, growing. We cannot see in our open eyes, right? Because they are very micro, very very micro. Sorry. So if we want to see those bacterias, so we need to use microscope, right? So then we can understand, this is the thing, they are multiplying, right? So what need actually to bacteria to grow? Only time, temperature, right, and moisture. That's it. Automatically they will multiply in a billions, in a billions. So to keep our food safe, that's why we always keeps our food inside the freezer, which we are not using today, which we are not using tomorrow. We want to use next week. We want to use after 1 month. So for the future, which we plan, which we selected the date. This date we have one event, and this date we will use. We are keeping our backup and all. So because of that, we are keeping, inside the freezer of our eatable things, right? So always remember, always, why we are keeping, to stop the multiplying of bacteria. This is the reason. If we are keeping our eatable thing inside the freezer, this is the reason. It can be anything: raw meat, raw fish, raw chicken, raw seafoods, right? And raw beef, raw lamb, cooked meat, right? And boiled vegetables, whatever it can be. This is the reason, because now we are not using, so we are keeping inside the frozen. So when it will be ice, when it will frozen, fully frozen, so the multiplication of the bacteria, it will stop, right? In the next video we will talk about how bacteria it grows, right? How it grows, and how much they are dangerous for our life. This is very important topic, guys, right? It's very important, something we could not see by our open eyes, because they are very micro. So we have to use microscope, then we can see to them. Without this thing, without this equipment, that particular equipment, we could not see to our this eyes. This is the reason, right? So in this video I just want to whatever I explain to you, so it's a very important, right? So I want to stop this video. In the next video we will talk about dry store temperature. What should be dry? Because yesterday, which I made that video, it was only for the chiller temperature, and today's one freezer, and tomorrow one, which I will make tomorrow, so it will be for dry store temperature. So we will go step by step to our HACCP standard, right? Step by step. Then after that, we will go through the temperature. What should be the temperature of cooking food, hot holding, everything we will go. But step by step, not in a one video, because in a one video you could not understand properly the deeply why we are keeping, why, and how it should be. You could not understand. So topic by topic, serial wise we will go, so you will understand. Then after that we will I will make the new video about how we can receive the vegetable, or if we buy, if we are going to buy something from the market, so how we need to wash the vegetable. This kind of thing also we will talk about, right? Oh, sorry, right? So this video only this much, so see you.